So, in order to advertise the noble Bicentennial Barn as a proper wedding venue, which it of course is, I'm going to need some signage, and for that I will need a logo. And I used to do this sort of thing in a previous lifetime, but I'm out of date, alright? I've got kids now, I don't have time, so I'm making some instructions. I'm going to hop on Fiverr, see what we can do. I hand drew a sketch of approximately one idea, but also told them they can do whatever they want. So, being a small channel, I'm going for the cheap one, so 15 bucks, 15 bucks, 17 bucks, 35 bucks, and 65 bucks. So let us see what they can come up with here.
One eternity later.
Okay, so here's what we got. And right off the bat, you will notice that there is no $15 guy. $15 guy lied to me. He charged me $29. I didn't even realize it till I went back in to try to make the video. Whatever, too late. So from the top to bottom, we got one that's kind of very, very reminiscent of my hand-drawn style. The next one is just a clean vector trace, basically the same thing. And this one's pretty cool with the flowers and roots and leaves and whatnot protruding from the bees. Might be a little busy for the banner though. Then we got one that did an actual vector trace of the whole building. Although those trees aren't really there. Whatever, trees are cool. And then this guy on the right here did 3 different designs, all of which are pretty cool, and I might use some of them in the web page at some point. But all of this was basically just to get ideas, because I can do this sort of thing. So kind of merging my best parts of all of these, I came up with this design that I'm going to use for the banner. And here we finally have a banner. This sucker is going to be 40 feet by 50 feet. It's going to get hung on the side of the little barn. This is why I begged all you people to subscribe to my channel. Once I get 100 subscribers, I can get the custom URL so I can print it on the banner. And hopefully that will be enough advertising, because I don't really want to screw with advertising beyond just hanging a big old sign. So thank you everyone who subscribed. I will do a 100 subscriber special when I finally unroll the banner, which is sitting in my driveway right now. So more on that next time, and please, anyone else that's new to the channel, please subscribe, follow along, and support our efforts to save the Bicentennial Barn.